3 reasons why I bought this solar fountain pump versus others that I've bought in the past. Number 1, it comes with these retractable things right here that you pull out, and it adjusts to the size of the fountain. I've had ones in the past that were just straws, and then the straws would fall off, they would break, and they wouldn't really keep into the center of the fountain. But this one really does keep into the center. Now, if I fold them up, you can see that it doesn't stay in the center. It'll just move to one side, and that doesn't look very good. So that's why I really like these retractable stand things, so it keeps right into the center. The second reason is more obvious why I like this, is because I don't have to plug it in anywhere. It's solar powered, and it starts immediately when it's sunny and when it's a little cloudy too. It's working when it's cloudy. Big plus. The third reason I like this is because it comes with so many variety of nozzles, and the one I especially like is the one that rotates. So it comes with 2 rotating nozzles, 4 double nozzles, and 4 vertical nozzles. And you can see here that I'm just trying different ones. I think they're all pretty cool. There's ones that go higher than other ones. It's really easy to change them. All you have to do is put them on just like I'm doing now, and then you can figure out which one that you like the best. Here's the rotating one. I think it gives especially a lot of interest, plus it's a fountain also. So I just want to show you an up-close view here now of the rotating one and how easy it is to take on and off. There you go, you just take the fountain part off. There's the pump in the back, and it's so easy to take on and off. It's incredible. I used this for my daughter's wedding, and I highly recommend.